Okay, today's the day. We had an old shed in this section of the property over here. We tore that down yesterday. That's what you see here sitting next to the home. And nice and organized over here. That's going to be first into the dumpster. And then this mobile home will be coming down. Let's go!
Disposal, tear it down! Steel toes on the gravel, yeah, we rolling early. High-vis vest and the grin, hands dirty. Trucks lined up, whole crew locked in. Flip that switch, let the rumble begin! Wake up the block when the compact slams. Stickered hard hat, name tag on the flange. Orange on my back, black coffee in my hand. We clean this town out, that's the game plan. Toss it in the hopper, watch it disappear. All the yesterday junk, it don't live here. We the crew that you call when it's time I do to clear out closets and all bad moods. Foothills Disposal, tear it down, stack it up, crush it to the ground. From the curb to the can to the ground of the town, we don't back up, we just back it down. Disposal, tear it down. Whole crew jumping to the sound. Yeah, we haul that weight, turn the mess to proud. Foothills Disposal, tear it down. Tear it down.
Hey guys, Nick Ireson here, owner of Foothills Disposal. Do you have a nasty old mobile home or something like that on your property? Maybe a barn, a shed, something that's falling apart, creating a liability for you? Well, give Foothills Disposal a call and we'll tear it down for you, just like we did this one. This is a finished job site here. We just finished this job out in Clinton, Tennessee, and we can do it for you too.